Hi, hello. My name is Uwe Müller. I'm from NXP Munich and I'm working as a field application engineer for microcontroller products. Today I'd like to show you a short, brief overview of our fantastic Kinetis V Series Cortex M0 Plus, Cortex M4 and Cortex M7 microcontroller product portfolio, which can be seen here on the screen, where we have the entire short abbreviation list of all the feature set that's being provided by this powerful microcontroller family. What we see here is a drone demo where we show a sensorless three-phase brushless DC motor control demo, which is controlled by a KV46 ESC electronic speed controller system. For that, we offer a Kinetis motor control suite that helps our customer to measure the motor with regards to inductance, resistance and flux values to shorten the time to market development, to bring his own development as early as possible into the market. By offering our entire solution, we are able to have high resolution timers, where we have a timer resolution down to 260 picoseconds, coming along with high precision ADC analog converter, where we have speed conversion rates up to 5 megasample per second. The entire product portfolio can be seen on our website at nxp.com and visit the Kinetis V Series subsite.